See, this is the another method to solve Ohm's law, and this is the circuit diagram. You can see RPS 0 to 30 volt and 220 ohms resistance is here, and the voltmeter is parallel to the circuit, and also the ammeter, that is 0 to 100 milliamps. And this is the tabular column, serial number, voltage in volts, current in milliamps, and resistance equal to V by I ohms. Now we are going to give the connections as per the circuit diagram. You can see the resistance and the positive of the RPS and positive of the voltmeter are in same line. So we are giving the positive of the RPS and also the positive of the voltmeter. This acts as a voltmeter in the same line. Next, you can see the positive of the ammeter in another side of resistance. So you can see this is the ammeter. So the positive of the ammeter is in another side of resistance. And next you can see the negative of the ammeter, negative of the voltmeter, and the negative of the RPS are in the is connected together. So you can see all the three are connected together, that is shorted. Now going to the experiment by using the RPS. You keep the voltmeter to 2 volt. So we have kept as 2 volt, and you can see the ammeter reads 8.84. Now we are changing the voltmeter to 3 volt by using RPS, and you can see the ammeter reading is 13.20. Now by adjusting the RPS, we are keeping the voltmeter to 4 volt. And you can see the ammeter is 17.80 millivolt. So after that we have taken it for 5 volt voltage, that is current is 23.30, and for 6 volt the current is 28, and for 7 volt the current is 32.60 milliamps, and for 8 volt the current is 37.50 millivolt. Now you can calculate for R, that is V divided by I. We can see the voltage is in volts and the current in milliamps. So to change the current in milliamps to amps, we are going to take in account only the first value. So you can see, to change the milliamps to ampere, you can see 8.84 milliamps is written as 8.84 into 10 to the power of minus 3 to convert into amps, that is we get 0.00884 amps. So R equal to V by I ohms, we know the formula. So R equal to volt 2 divided by 0.00884. So the value is 226 ohms. So for the, you can convert the milliamps for the second to seventh value by using this method and you can find out the R. So for the second value you are getting 227 ohms, third value 224 ohms, and fourth and fifth value 214 ohms, and sixth value is 284 ohms, and seventh value is 186 ohms. So we are using the resistance is 220 ohms. So the value is near to the ohms, 220 ohms. So thus we have verified the Ohm's law according to the circuit and proved. Now take the mean value of this resistance. You will get total is 1475 divided by 7, that is you can see 7 readings are there. So the mean value is 210 ohms. So more or less we are 220 ohms. We are applying 220 ohms. So we are getting 210 ohms. So the Ohm's law is verified.